So, good evening, one and all. They are present in this record webinar. First of all, I thanks to Principal webcasters for giving this opportunity to share the view of this. Thank you, sir, for giving this opportunity. So, 1 minute. Sir, my present is available.
Yes, madam. Please continue. Yes.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, so mathematics can use the day-to-day life. So example for that, anywhere mathematics can be used. Every day, everything, whatever you are doing, the mathematics can be used in every day. So on this topic, I will be used about it may be kitchens, it may be education field, it is any field, the mathematics can be used in every life. So on this topic, we are using mathematics in today's life. How it is used in the different sectors, mathematics can be used. So on this, we are using as this topics we are choosing. Myself, Srimati Padmini Kaji, HOD and Assistant Professor, Karnatak Arts and Commerce College, Bidar from Karnataka. So some common views of the mathematics. So everyone is thinking about mathematics is a hard subject. So mathematics is a boring subject and mathematics is a nothing to do with the real life problems or real life, whatever it may be, mathematics cannot be used. So on this, but I can show that math is important in making our life in easy and beautiful. So mathematics is a very beautiful subject and it is used everywhere. So if math is easy, life is easy. I thought. So one thing I want to say. So mathematics used in different sectors. So I told in mathematics can use in the financial budgeting and banking, kitchens, games, and the different sector or education. In education, in different subjects also mathematics used. It may be on chemistry, biology, physics. Without mathematics, physics can be moved. So mathematics can use everywhere. First thing is mathematics is used in finance. How it is used? How it is budgeting? Everywhere mathematics. The maths can also help with the finance. With the help of maths, we can easily make as a financial budget to calculate how much money we are spend, how much money is occupying or spending the money with a different like this we are using salaries purpose and different calculations expansions. So on this we are using as a mathematics is how it is used. Like for example, sales budget, production budget and direct labor project, selling of the administrative budget and direct material budget. So cash budget, capital expensive budget. Like this mathematics is using mathematics. We are using in the different financial and budgeting. Using that mathematics, we are calculating about that. And financial in the financial planning, understanding the interest rate, how it is, and budgeting, investment returns, involves the applications of various mathematical concepts. Like similarly, we are in the financial tax calculations, mathematics can also use. Same way, mathematics is used in the cooking and recipes. For example, in the cookies and recipes adjustment. If you are, for example, doubling the ingredients, adjusting the cooking times, math with essential modifying the recipes. One example I want to give for that. For example, everyone is listens about the geometries. Learn about the geometries. Learn about the geometries. For example, geometries means we are making as one of the shapes. In kitchen, we are using. For example, we are ingredient materials is collecting for making and chapatis or etc. any cooking. That ingredient material is converted into like one of the shapes. That is one of the application like chapati we are making it, that will be becomes a geometry one of the. After that, we are converting as in or boiling, or it may be, for example, boiling, or it is frying. Something we are doing is that will be converted as a solid geometry. It is one example how it is mathematics can used in the kitchen. All are learn about the geometries, how it is shaping. Like cooking is also use the geometrical and mathematics use. Same way, conversions of the calculations, converting the between different units of the measurement is required, and basic skill are accurate for the cooking. Like this, we are using as a mathematics in cooking and recipes. Same way, maths and medicine. In the medical field, also we are using the mathematics. How it is used? For example, modern medicines has been transferred by the method by seeking the inside with the cutting of fever open. For example, ultrasound, sound waves, MRI, migrations, CAT scans, X-rays. We are using measurement of those normal upper bowl, lower bowl, kidney stone measurements, stones. Those we are using. Uh, Measurement for that measurement, we are using one of the mathematics applications using differential calculations, ordinary differential calculations, or partial differential equations. So on that basis, we can calculate the word how it is used with respect to how it is changes. Those we are using. That is also used in the nowadays medicines is also we are using it. How tablets is creating with the how much materials we are using. Those all are used for that. So all of use math can to work. Mathematics is also used in the sports and games. For example, game strategies. Mathematics is used in analyzing the moves and developing the winning strategies in a game like chess or various games, cricket, sports, any sports we are taking. That times of we are using one of the graphical previous score how much, how now it is score is how much. Those scores we are converting in the form of graphical. Those graphical converting that can be used in the graphical part we are using. Those graphical part we are using graph theory of nodes, vertices, edges, convert cursor. So we are using the mathematics. Sports analytics. The applications of the mathematical models and statistics derive performance analysis, player evaluation, and strategic decision making. In this course, benefiting the both of the terms, the mathematics can be used in day-to-day life. Not only in sports, everywhere maths can be used. Score predictions using mathematical algorithm and predictions match outcomes and scoring the trend or mood, adding the extreme to sports events like this we are use the mathematics like we are scoring of the board, scoring of the math sports, so on everything calculated using the mathematics. So mathematics can be used in sports also. Same way, mathematics can be used in the travels and navigation. For example, distance estimation. That is distance estimation means we are moving from one place to another place. Means first place we are converting as a like vertex in graph. We are converting in the form of graph or vertex. Places are converted into vertex and roads and are converted into edges. Those we are using vertices and edges. We are making as a shortest path between the two places. Like how it is one place to another place, we are finding about the shortest path that will be makes an distance estimations between the two nodes. That is that using mathematics, use the calculating the distance, travel times, and fuel requirements road trips, and making the travel planning efficient and cost effective. Similarly, we are using as GPS and mapping. In GPS and mapping, we are when complex using complex analysis or complex mathematical uh, concept underpin of GPS technology and ensuring the accurate and rotate optimization of real-time navigation of the travelers using GPS. For example, in the GPS, we are nodes and edges take that graph, how it is rotating, how much we are rotating. That types of rotations we are using as a using graph or graphical graph forms we are using as a mathematics travels and navigations. Mathematics can also use for that.
Ma'am,
Therefore, they
excuse me, ma'am.
yes, sir.
Ma'am, slides are not visible.
Slides are not visible, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes, madam, please.
Yes. Okay, sir. I will check in, sir. Sir, 1 second, sir. Again, I am sharing, sir.
Yes, ma'am, yes.
Sir, it is now visible, sir.
Yes, madam, it's visible. Go on proper slides, you know.
Proper, sir. From first slide, so can I start or sir, somewhere we have to start?
Yes, ma'am, yes.
So yes, sir, now visible, sir, slide.
Yes, madam.
Sir, share, sir. Okay, okay, sir. So can I start with here only, sir? Yes, sir. Okay, sir. So, sir, slide is moving or not, sir?
Not, ma'am, not moving.
Not moving, madam. And only screen is visible.
Sir, yes, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, 1 second. Sir, 1 second, sir.
Madam, it is not possible due
Okay,
to
sir.
network
One
issue, I
second, sir.
think. Please.
I think, sir, network, sir.
So
1 second,
without
sir.
PPT,
I'm
you
just
can
trying
continue,
for
madam. Without PPT, you can
without PPT,
continue.
sir. Okay. When? Sir, last time we are time. One second. Now, sir.
Yes, madam. Now,
Yes,
mathematics in sports and games. You are on these slides.
yes, sir.
Mathematics in travel and navigation.
Okay.
Yes, madam.
Yes, sir.
Please. Please continue, madam. Yes.
Yes. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir, for we are estimating the distance. Mathematics used to calculating the distance or travel time and fluids of requirement. For example, we are moving from one place to another place using graph theories or using graph theory applications. The places are converted to vertices and roads are converted to like lines are converted to edges. Using those graph theory, we are finding about the shortest path between the two distance. Using those distance estimations, the mathematics graph theory can be used in the application and travel in that one. Same similarly for the we are mapping as a GPS and mapping. That is complex mathematical concept underpin of GPS technology, ensuring the accurate positions and rotate the optimizations and the real-time negations for the travelers. That the GPS under that GPS we are rotating the moving, how much we are moving. So on those calculations we'll be using graph theory and graphical part that can be used using the applications of the graph theory. We are using the mathematics in the distance estimations and GPS and mapping also. Same for nowadays, mathematics can use it in the technologies and coding. Without coding technologies, the mathematics can use it. Well, for example, data analysis. We are in the data analysis. Where mathematics can be analyzed, the interpreting the massive volume of the digital data and deriving the technology advancements and digital transformation can be used. Same for the complex algorithm. Using complex mathematical algorithm from the backbones of the software development. Artificial, like nowadays, artificial intelligence are using. In the artificial intelligence, also mathematical algorithm and coding we are using. Same in the we are use the mathematics. So maths is good for the brain. Lastly, to study the done by the one of the Stanford universities, ma'am, proves that students who solve the problems in their daily life have a higher logical skill than those students who couldn't solve the problem. Apart from that, the students solve that math problem for their brain exercise. To make this our body stay fit, we can do exercise. Though in the same way, I say math is a good for the brain and so for brain purpose, we have to take the exercise daily life. Conclusion. We are going for the conclusion. Math is the importance of the mathematicians in our daily life. It may be problem solving, it may be decisions making, or it may be innovation. In problem solving, also we are use the skill approximate versus real life situations, critical thinking, logical reasoning. So in every way, the mathematics can use. Same for decisions making, effective decisions making, personal, professional, societies, influence, mathematical analysis. So everywhere that math is used. So some interesting fact about the mathematical fact. Over 70% of overall jobs requires the math. On average of the math graduate earn more than the other professions. Many degrees are required the math including statistics, physics, engineering, economics, medicine, IT, computer games, uh, uh, electronics, cryptography. Everywhere mathematics can be used for the many degrees. Without math, we should have no TVs, mobile phones, internet, credit cards, computer games, and CDs, aeroplanes, etc. Math is the usual working out of your payments, APR calculations, family budget. So mathematics can be used. So with the conclude of this, I conclude my presentation. So lastly, I will give the one hint. Without math, we cannot do. Everywhere mathematics can be used. So one and all. Thank you, sir, and madam. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you so much, madam, for the wonderful presentation. Now I request dear participants, if you have any query regarding the topic, please come ahead. Discuss with Honorable Resource Person. Doctor, please.
Hello,
Hello.
am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes. You are
Yeah,
audible. Yes.
yeah. There may be a little disturbance in the background noise is there. Wonderful presentation, ma'am, and definitely mathematics. From the space to the earth, we are using mathematics. In fact, the birth of man is also, is because of mathematics. The chromosomal totality we have to find out, and that is how you will find the, we can see the world. That is one thing. And in the medical field, we are using heart rate, respiratory rate, blood pressure, and so many values are there, biochemistry like sodium level, potassium level, and this and that, right? So everywhere the mathematics is there. My question is, the
Yes.
rural children, they are more familiar with mathematics than urban children. They are going to the shop and they are purchasing the things and they are taking the right money back to the house. So that kind of fluency of transaction in mathematics is not seen in urban children. What do you think about this, man?
Sir, in urban is also use the mathematics, I think so. Sir, every urban is also use the mathematics and they are positively, sir, I think.
Okay, thank you, man.
Hello.
Anybody else from the
Or anybody.
participants? Priyanka, ma'am, please. Priyanka, ma'am, you have raised the hand. Please ask. So thank you so much, Dr. Swanand Shukla, sir, for your queries. And ma'am, you have answered it very well. Now I move towards the vote of thanks. Shri Kumarswami, Mahavidyalaya, Ausa, District Latur. I we know. Madam, please unmute yourself. Padmini, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
Please you unmute. We are getting disturbance. Shri Kumarswami Mahavidyalaya Ausa, District Latur is organized a world record series 2. Today we have completed 344th session of the series, and the topic was very significant, important one, that is mathematics in day-to-day life, which have been presented by Honorable Padmini Kaji ma'am, where madam have explained what is mathematics, then the mathematics in different fields like finance, budgeting, cooking, recipes, maths in medicines, as well as it is very important to good for the brains and also important in our daily lives, and some of the interesting mathematical facts. Now these points you covered in your lecture so nicely, madam. So I'm very thankful to you. You have paid your valuable time to the series and delivered a nice lecture, though it is in a short time, but it was very significant one and valuable to everybody's life. So thank you so much. I thank the chief organizer of the series, our ideal principal, M. Bedkar sir. Also thanks faculties from my college, Dr. Sanjay Kale sir, Honorable Dr. Praveen Kamble sir, and others. And heartily thanks all those sweetened participants from the series. And now I request you all, please fill the feedback link which is given in the chat box. Today we are not listening the verse, concluding verse from the Honorable Principal Sir because of some inconvenience from his side. So thank you on behalf of the chief organizer. Also, madam, you can take rest. Now the screen will be there for some time. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for giving this opportunity. Thanks.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
सर लिंक पाठवा ना.
लिंक पाठवलं नाही.
Just wait, sir. It will be there. Just wait.
Yeah.
सर फीडबैक लिंक भेज दीजिए.
Now please fill the feedback link. Everyone.
Okay, sir, it is not opened. Feedback is not opened, sir. Please.
It will open, sir. Again